Hobbii Ribbon is our lovely ribbon yarn that has been super popular for many years and is definitely a staple in our assortment. The yarn is produced from pure, high quality 100% cotton, and it's made especially for hobbii. It consists of a flat knit tube that looks amazing when it's knitted or crocheted. Each skein has 250 grams, that's 8.8 ounces, and the length is approximately 125 meters or 137 yards. We recommend needles or hooks 8mm or 11 in US size, and the yarn weight is bulky. Now, many ribbon yarns are made from mixed qualities or leftover materials. However, our Hobbii Ribbon is made from 100% cotton, and knitting with it is a unique experience. We've put great care into finding the perfect ribbon yarn made from pure natural materials, and it needs to have the right balance where the yarn has the appropriate softness that makes it nice to work with, but also has enough volume and firmness to make the final shape of the project stable and keep its shape. Hobbii Ribbon is durable and easy to work with. It can be used for all kinds of interior projects like bags, blankets, pillow, baskets, pot holders, and much, much more. You can machine wash at 40 degrees Celsius, that's 104 Fahrenheit, and lay flat to dry. Let your imagination run wild and let the many beautiful colors inspire you with this gorgeous cotton ribbon yarn.